Hello friends! In the previous video we made a rattle duck. And now let's make together a little penguin. I'll take baby cotton yarn and the size of my hook is 1.6. Let's start from the head. We make a magic loop and 6 single crochets into it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pull the thread and make a slip stitch in the first loop. And a chain. In the second round we make 6 increases, 2 single crochets in each loop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. A slip stitch and a chain. In the next round we make 6 increases with 1 single crochet between them. We make an increase in the first loop and 1 single crochet in the second, and repeat. Increase, 1 single crochet, increase, 1 single crochet, and go on. In the next round we make 6 increases with 2 single crochets between them. 1, 2, increase, 1, 2, increase, 1, 2, increase, and continue till the end of the round. In the next round we make 6 increases with 3 single crochets between them. Increase, 1, 2, 3, increase, 1, 2, 3, and repeat. And in the 6th round we make 6 increases with 4 single crochets between them. 1, 2, increase, 1, 2, 3, 4, increase, 1, 2, 3, 4, increase, and continue till the end of the round. Now there are 36 loops in the round, and we make the next 7 rounds without changes for 36 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 35, 36, a slip stitch and a chain. We've made 13 rounds, and in the 14th round we start to make decreases. 1, 2, decrease, 1, 2, 3, 4, decrease, 1, 2, 3, 4, decrease, 1, 2, 3, 4, and go on. In the next round we make 6 decreases with 3 single crochets between them. We make decrease, then 1, 2, 3, decrease, 1, 2, 3, decrease, 1, 2, 3, and continue. Then we add fiber fill, a rattle bell, and continue to crochet. In the next round we make 6 decreases with 2 single crochets between them. 1, 2, decrease, 1, 2, decrease, 1, 2, decrease, and continue till the end of the round. In the end we make a slip stitch, a chain, and leave the long end of the thread. And add more fiber fill. The first part of the head is ready, and now let's make the gray one. Actually, we make 12 rounds in the same way as we've made the white part. So we make 6 single crochets, then 12, then 18, 24, 30, 36, and then we make 6 rounds without changes for 36 single crochets. we make a slip stitch in the end, a chain, and leave the long end to sew this part to the white one. But at first we should finish this part. We attach the thread on the front part. And make 6 single crochets. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Make a chain and turn around. One, 2, 3, and make a decrease, a chain, and turn around. 1, 2, decrease, a chain, turn around, 1, and decrease. Make a chain and cut the thread. And now we sew the gray part to the white one. Let's make the beak. Make a magic loop and 6 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pull the thread and make a slip stitch in the first loop and a chain. In the second round, we make 6 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, a slip stitch, and a chain. Leave the long end of the thread to sew the beak to the head. And it's time to make the eyes. Well, the head is ready, and see you in the next part.